cut ka dyan. Okay, a family might dwell in where? Is it A, apartment, B, tea kettle, C, magazine, or D, videotape? Family. Where can they live? Apartment? Where can they live? Apartment, tea kettle, magazine, or videotape? Hey, answer me.
Yes. Hello, I'm a news, MBC News in Korea. What are you teaching about?
I am teaching English. Okay.
Yes. Hello, I'm an MBC News. Today, I will introduce this teacher. This
Hi.
teacher is an UP college and UP student teaching UP students. How do you feel?
I'm not feeling well because you're not listening.
I'm sorry. I'm listening. Okay. Now start.
Okay, what's the answer here? A family might dwell in where? Dwell is live. So what's the answer? It is?
This is very hard. I cannot answering this.
For example, you. How about you? For example, you're part of that family. Where do you want to live? Is it in the apartment? In the tea kettle? In the magazine? Or in the videotape?
In the apartment, of course.
Of course. So that is your answer. Here, it is a courtesy. It to what? It is a courtesy. To what? Make fun of me? Finish my dessert? Climb my ladder? Or open a door for me? So it is a courtesy to what? Is it make fun of me? Finish my dessert? Courtesy, it means being polite. It is finish my dessert, climb my ladder, or open a door for me. Okay, it's open a door
for me.
Okay, a frail person, so you are very here. Frail means weak.
Excuse me, but I'm so glad to see you. Yes. Now, finish. I'm missing you.
Finish.